30 days ago, I had 0 clients and 0 revenue. Today, I'm showing you the exact system I used with GPT-5's new reasoning model to build an AI automation agency that's generating over $10,000 per month. And I'm going to break down every single step, every client conversation, and every automation I built. No BS, just the raw numbers and strategies that actually work. Let me start with the proof. Here's my Stripe dashboard from last month, $11,247 in revenue across 8 active clients. And here's the beautiful part. GPT-5's reasoning model did about 80% of the heavy lifting. But before we dive into the technical stuff, let me explain why this timing was absolutely perfect. The GPT-5 advantage that changed everything. GPT-5's reasoning model isn't just faster, it actually thinks through problems step by step. While everyone else is still playing with basic chatbots, I realized this could handle complex business workflows. We're talking about systems that can analyze customer data, make decisions, and execute actions without human intervention. Here's what made me $3,200 in my first week. I targeted local service businesses that were drowning in manual processes. My first client was a dental practice spending 15 hours weekly on appointment scheduling and follow-ups. Within 48 hours, I had built them an automation that automatically schedules appointments from their website, sends personalized reminder texts based on patient history, handles reschedules and cancellations, follows up with post-visit surveys and review requests. The result? They saved 12 hours per week and saw a 34% increase in appointment bookings. They paid me $1,200 up front plus $400 monthly. That's when I knew I had something. The 4-pillar system that scaled to $10. Pillar 1, the problem-first approach. I didn't start by building random automations. I spent the first 5 days just talking to business owners about their biggest time wasters. I made a spreadsheet of every pain point I heard. The top 3 were 1. Lead qualification and follow-up, 2. Customer service and support tickets, 3. Data entry and reporting. These became my core services. GPT-5's reasoning model could handle all 3 better than any human assistant. Pillar 2, the 48-hour proof concept. Instead of selling promises, I sold proof. I'd tell prospects, give me 48 hours and access to your current process. I'll build you a working automation for free. If it doesn't save you at least 5 hours weekly, you pay nothing. This eliminated all sales resistance. Out of 12 businesses I approached, 9 said yes to the free trial. 7 became paying clients. Here's exactly how I structured the proof concept. I'd use GPT-5 to analyze their existing workflow, identify bottlenecks, and create a custom automation blueprint. Then I'd build a basic version using tools like Make.com, Zapier, and custom GPT-5 integrations. My second client was an e-commerce store getting 200+ customer service emails daily. Their team was overwhelmed. I built an automation that categorizes incoming emails by urgency and topic, provides instant responses to common questions, escalates complex issues with full context to human agents, updates customers automatically on order status. Result: 73% reduction in response time, 89% customer satisfaction score, and they went from needing 3 support agents to just 1. They're paying me $800 monthly for maintaining and improving the system. Pillar 3, the revenue stack formula. I learned quickly that one-time projects don't build wealth. Monthly recurring revenue does. So I structured every client relationship with 3 components. Setup fee, $800 to $2,000 depending on complexity. Monthly optimization, $300 to $800 for monitoring and improvements. Performance bonus, extra payment when automation exceeds targets. My biggest win was a real estate agency. I built them a lead qualification system using GPT-5 that scores and nurtures prospects automatically. It increased their conversion rate.